Okay, we are going to go ahead and look at what's called substitution, another very key important concept for Algebra 1. So I'm going to do two problems. I'll do one from the top and one from the bottom, and then you just need to pick 5 that you want to do on your own. So when we substitute, we always put the number in parentheses, and then once we substitute, we still have to follow the correct order of operations. So let's go ahead and start with, I'll look at number 2. It says A, which is 3, so I'm going to go ahead and put that in parentheses, plus B, which is a -9, and then squared. So we have to take care of the parentheses before we take care of the exponent, so which is why we did order of operations yesterday. So 3 plus -9 in parentheses is a -6, and when we square that, we times it by itself. The answer to question 2 here would be a -6 times a -6, which is a positive 36. So again, being very, very careful with your order of operations and your negative symbols. Let's go ahead and look at one from the bottom. I'll pick another one to look at. We have A, B, and C, and their different values. I'll look at number 8. So it says 2 times C, well, C is 4. Put that number in parentheses. Bring down our addition symbol. 3 times A, which is -6. Put that in parentheses. Bring down our addition symbol. Oh, but we've got a -4 there, so let's make that a -4 times B, which is a -3. And so we have addition and we have multiplication. We need to take care of all of our multiplication first. So 2 times 4 is 8. Bring down our addition symbol. 3 times -6, -18. Bring down our addition symbol. -4 times a -3 is a positive 12. So when we add these left to right, 8 and -18 is a -10. Bring down our plus 12. -10 plus 12 is a positive 2. So that was for number 8 on the bottom here as a positive 2. So make sure that when you substitute, you put in parentheses. Don't forget your, be careful with your negative symbols, and make sure that you do the correct order of operations. Have a good one.